Hello, Erin. What are you doing? You clever girl, you're 6 months old now. 6 months old yesterday. You blow a lot of raspberries. You're watching Declan jump on the bed and sing the Mama song. Yeah. Oh, you got some toys. You got some toys there. Yeah? Where are you going? Oh, don't fall over. Oh, good save. Good save. Oh, you're very good now. Oh, I know, darling. I'm just filming Erin at the moment. Look how clever she is sitting up and playing with her toys. Whoa, down she goes.